This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Powell. Located in the sought-after golf course community of Las Gaviotas and the Grassfield High School District. Awesome curb appeal on quiet cul-de-sac. Very private yard backs up to Tidal Creek and nature area. Fantastic floor plan features oversized great room for large family gathers. Renovations include architectural roof and new skylight 2020, vinyl siding, vinyl windows. Front porch trim and railings replaced 2018. High-end LVP installed on first floor. Carpet replaced on second floor and fresh interior paint. 2022 updated kitchen with custom cabinets and granite counters. Bedroom number 4 is super spacious with back staircase to kitchen. For more information, review the details below.